He just won't drop.
I make sure the bankroll straight. No, I'm not a hero, but we are done sticks in the A. We are done sticks in the
I can't lie, Osana dead ass don't even deserve to be a rapper. Like, I feel so bad for Osinta fans because this wannabe mysterious ass nigga with on 31K followers on SoundCloud cares about his image so much he's starving his own fans just to look cool and mysterious like he's a Cardi variant or some. Like, tell me why the last time he dropped was 2 years ago, folks. Both Travis Scott and Kanye go and drop before him. But do y'all think GTA 6 go and drop before a forever myth? Let me know in the comments. Now, I see y'all next video, these slime crew niggas making me want to jug someone right now.